In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Rakuten account in just 5 minutes. Let's walk through this process together, step by step. Whether you've decided that you're done with using Rakuten or simply want to clean up your online accounts, we're here to help you get it done effectively and efficiently. First, you'll need to head over to the Rakuten website. This is your starting point. Open your preferred web browser and type in the Rakuten website address. If you're not already logged in, make sure to enter your account credentials to access your profile. Once you've accessed the Rakuten homepage, you'll want to locate your profile. This is typically found at the top right corner of the website interface. Click on your profile name, which should reveal a drop-down list of options related to your account. Next, you need to click on Privacy Preferences. This section of the site contains all the settings related to your account's privacy and management. You can usually find it on your account page. By adjusting these settings, you maintain control over how your data is handled. But our focus today is on deleting the account altogether. After navigating to the Privacy Preferences page, the next step is to click on Manage Account. This button is key to accessing the specific options you need to effectively handle your account preferences. It's typically located prominently on the page, so it should be easy to find. With Manage Account open, you should see an option that says Delete Account. Click on it to proceed. Deleting your account is a big decision. Make sure this is really the route you want to take, as it will remove all your account data and history from Rakuten. Be aware that this action is generally irreversible. Follow any additional prompts or confirmation steps Rakuten might have in place. These are usually designed to ensure that you truly want to proceed with deleting your account and are not accidentally clicking through options. And that's it. You've now successfully deleted your Rakuten account. If during any point in this process you encounter any issues or need further assistance, Rakuten's support team can be a helpful resource. They're there to provide guidance and answer any queries you may have. Deleting an account might feel daunting at first, but by following these simple steps, you can manage your online presence just the way you want. Thank you for watching. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful guides and tutorials. See you next time.